Hi, welcome to a new tutorial with Aquacomputer Berlin.de and ModMyMachine.com. Today I'm going to show you how to sleeve a power supply. That means the cables, normally they come without sleeving or in black only. If you don't like black, that's a pity, so just choose another color. With our sleeving tutorial, no problem at all. So I can show you just a little bit of the range what we have for colors in stock. This means we have a wide range from yellow to UV things, black of course, silver, chrome. Today we're going to sleeve this power supply. It's a Hyper 730 watts OmniGrid. This means they have these connectors, very beautiful. This is in black and we now turn it into purple, because purple is the house color of Hyper. And this power supply is for Games Convention in Leipzig 2007. So here you can see what we need. We need some kind of hot air, no matter if it's a tool like this or if you use a lighter. We need these two Molex tools. You can get it at some modding shops, modding stores. And we need a scissor. First thing are the Pentium connectors. Here you have the connector inside. With this tool, which has one pin inside and two outside, you can go just in between, push it, and there you have it. So the other typical connector you have are the Molex 4-pin. You have this tool coming out with a bolt. Here, there it is. Just push it in and there you go. Next thing, we need to get rid of the old sleeving, cable ties, and then the shrink tubing. So right now we just need the sleeving. It's braided sleeving in purple. As said, it's Hyper's house color. This braided sleeving gives me a good occasion to say hello to all Schlong Dyson fans out there. I think you'll go as the squeeze man till all what's left is you. Cut it a little bit after. If you saw now take some heat shrink tubing, get it over the braided sleeving, and then shrink it. This makes some noise, so watch out. We were dancing wine, how you used to say, but good love dies in an empty glass. So hey now girl, just tighten it and take a look how far we need to cut this one. This is now the better way, because on the other side we had the metal connector sticking the braided sleeving. Here we have none of these metal connectors, so I'll show you what is better here. So take again some heat shrink tubing and put it below the braided sleeving. So if we have one heat shrink below the braided sleeving and put another heat shrink tubing above, both heat shrink tubings will stick together, so it fits better, it's tighter. So I always recommend one heat shrink tubing, then the braided sleeving and heat shrink tubing again. And cap down, so the heat shrink tubing will stick to the heat shrink tubing. Never forget where the connectors are in, otherwise you have a big problem if you want to power up something. So, this was it. Oh, better light. So this was it, another tutorial by ModMyMachine.com and Aqua Computer Berlin. The sleeving of cables, especially on power supplies. See you next time, and yeah, have a nice day. Bye.